Hi, it's Jason and Jason's Jungle. Well, weather and work has sort of like put a dampener on coming down here. Been snowed in and worked in, so haven't done much over winter, I never do. But I do have 5 buckets of spuds to empty. And with the cold weather and the damp weather, I'm hoping I don't lose them to rot, so I'm just going to get them all now. Okay, I'm going to start with bucket 1. Let's see what this is. Some of these buckets do seem quite damp, but there seems to be a reasonable amount of spuds in the bottom of it so far. Okay, so that's coming in 1.08 pound, so not that much, but any is better than none. This is bucket number 2. So that has given me 2.34, so twice as much as the last one, so that's better. Okay, so on bucket number 3, here we go. Let's see what that is. That's not too bad. That is 3.04, so £3 there. Definitely better. And that was one that had the capillary matting in, so it was constant water. So now on with bucket 5. Again, this had the capillary matting in. It's about £1.50 in that one. Not as good as the last one, but as I said, £1.50 is better than half, better than out. And now the 5th and final bucket. Again, this one was in the trough with the capillary matting. So we'll have a look at this. Right then, let's have a look. Just over £3. So that means I've got just over, what, £10 of spuds today. Not too bad. These are Maris Pier. That's not too bad. I mean, £10 spuds. I would have preferred 15, but beggars can't be choosers. Anyway, that's enough from down the plot today. I'm hungry, I'm going home. And I'll see you next time I do something. Ta-ra.